Hi, welcome to our video. Today we're going to demonstrate the Chevalier model FSG 618 SP. This is a 3-axis manual surface grinder. It comes with a Walker permanent fine pole magnet. It's currently wired for 220 volts. It is a 3-axis manual, like I said, back and forth, in and out, and of course up and down. All the feeds are very smooth and nice. The machine's in really nice shape. It does have the original paint on it. For the manual feed down, it also has the fine feed adjustment that you can engage and feed down in millionths of an inch, which is wonderful for very close tolerance work. It has the original paint. I don't know if I mentioned that already. It does not have a dust collection system, but it is set up for that if you wanted to add it. You could put your shop vac right on here. It also has the switch for a dust collection system if you wanted to purchase that separately. It's also equipped with an automatic lubrication system for the column. The pump is on the back, runs constantly, keeps it lubed. I want to start the spindle for you so you can hear it. Sorry. Turn the power on and then actually start the spindle. It's very quiet, you can hardly hear it. It runs very well. Don't have a light bulb in it, but the light works too. It's got its own lifting hooks to get it off the skid. It's ready to go. Thanks for watching our video.